Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to find great Clickbank products. I'm going to take you through how to create a Clickbank account, how to search through the Clickbank marketplace. Once you're in the marketplace, I want to show you how to refine your searches by using some menu options which will help you identify which are the better products to go ahead and promote. And then I'll show you how to find and review the affiliate material. And then I'm going to show you a very useful website that I use called Clickbank Engine. This website is full of really useful information that helps us pick out the best products that we can go ahead and then promote. So hey, if you haven't seen this channel before, my name is Richard. This is the School of Nomads. You can catch us at theschoolofnomads.com. If you're new to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell. We upload videos on a daily basis. And if you find this video useful, please hit the like and leave me a comment below. So let's get started and jump straight over to Clickbank. So I jumped over to Clickbank. All you need to do is type clickbank.com. Create an account is pretty easy. All you need to do is come up to create an account here, click on that, and then you'll be able to fill out this form. Once you've filled out this form and agreed with the terms and conditions, you then get asked for additional information such as bank details, addresses, tax details for your affiliate payments. So affiliate payments are made in a number of ways. They can do bank transfers. Your account has to be up to a certain level before they'll actually transfer the money through, or they can go ahead and send you checks through the post. So depending how you want to be paid will depend how you set up the next phase. The other thing they ask you for is a nickname for the account. That nickname is one you use on all of the affiliate links that you're going to promote. So what you need to do, if you're only going to be looking at one niche, you could maybe pick a nickname that is applicable within that niche. Or if you're not sure what you want to go ahead and promote at the moment, just pick something very generic. So once you've joined, just go ahead and sign in. So I jumped into my account. So the first thing you'll see is your nickname that you signed up with. Then you have the knowledge base here with all of the questions and answers that you might need to know about Clickbank. And then fourth across is the marketplace. So for the purposes of this, I just want to concentrate on the marketplace. On the left hand side of the marketplace, you'll see all of these different categories. Now these are all of the categories which have all of those products that you want to promote listed underneath them. So the first thing you want to do is work out what are the niches that you want to be promoting products in. You may have interests or things in mind already, which you can then look underneath each of these categories and see if there's products there that suit your interests. Or you just may want to pick 2 or 3 to have a look around and see what kind of thing may interest you, and you can go ahead and promote. So I'm just going to take one as an example. So let's just go to self-help. So in each one of these then you'll have multiple products. So there's 75 pages of products that are related to self-help on Clickbank at the moment. And in this there's 10 results per page. So there's 750 products that are related to self-help. So I just wanted to show you one of the products as an example so I can take you through the various stats that you see on the screen. So for the purposes of this, I'm just going to go through the X Factor guide. If you look at these stats, this is the initial dollar sale, $29.18, that you'll get from this product. Now this is based on all of the front end sales and any upsells that they will offer with the product. This is the average percentage per sale that the vendor's offering you. So they're going to give you, in this case, 75% of the overall sale. So the rebuild total is based over time. The vendor expects to make about $80 on average. So you'll get a percentage of that. So over time, you'll get about 11% of that. So your overall average sale, which is shown here in 35.23, is a combination of that rebuild total and your initial sale. And then this average percentage rebuild shows that of the rebuilding revenue that the vendor gets, you'll get around 11%. So this can change slightly. There could be different levels of membership for this particular product. But again, there is always a difference between the front end sales, because obviously that's why a vendor wants you to be their affiliate. So they get those front end sales and then they'll keep most of the back end sales for themselves. And then the most important one here for us is this gravity score. So this gravity score is something that Clickbank calculate to show how many vendors over the last 12 weeks have sold this product. So it's a very good indicator of whether a product is popular and whether it's been sold by a lot of vendors. Because this is a calculation, it's not telling me that 44 affiliates have actually sold this product. because what happens is as a product gets more popular and gains momentum, the gravity will also be affected and be higher. But it's kind of the number one way that you know whether, from a popularity perspective, a product is worth promoting. So that was an overview of the stats. I want to show you how we can then use that information now to go and find those great products to promote. So if I come up to here, this sort results by, and then click on gravity, you'll see that the results will change, and the ones at the highest, the ones at the top, will have higher gravity. So this one has, this overnight millionaire system has 184, second one down at 157, and then down to 83. So my initial look at this would say that the overnight millionaire system is obviously going to be potentially a good thing to promote. The only other thing to kind of consider when you're looking at these products is there is a lot of other people that are also going to promote them. So the higher the gravity, the more competition you'll have. So bear that in mind. That's not necessarily a bad thing, but bear that in mind when you're choosing a product to promote that has a really, really high gravity. If I go into the health niche, some of those products have got gravities of 400 plus, which means that a lot of other affiliates, some very experienced affiliates, are promoting those products. So firstly, have a look at the gravity. And then anything around $30 is probably a good thing to promote, because you will have some cost yourself, whether you're creating a website or whether you're whatever kind of advertising you want to do, whether it's Facebook ads or whatever you want to do for these particular products. There will be a cost from on your side. So make sure you're not going to go ahead and try and promote a product which is too low a commission for you. So anything around $30 is a good guide. And anything with an average, with also includes a rebill, is also good to have, because it's not just an additional front end sale. You also want some kind of membership program or whatever it may be attached to it, so you get a little bit more on the back end for making that additional lead for the vendor. Now there is one way that I can sort this again. So the first level is the gravity. If I come over to this left hand menu here, you'll see I can actually sort by each one of those statistics. And if I come down to average rebuild total and I move this across, let's say to $30 just as an indicator, this will then show me which of those products have got good gravity and then which of those products have also got good rebuild. So on this one, I can expect to see around $47 overall for the sale. That average sale here includes both the initial sale and the rebill. So overall, on average, I'm expecting to see around $47. So let's just come back to the top one. So the product itself, you can click on this and go ahead and look at the sales page for this product. So this is a video sales page. They'll click on that video. The magical text that makes almost any man psychologically addicted to you. Obviously this is very popular, and there'll be some sales video here. So that's the product itself. What we want to do is go ahead and look at this affiliate page here. So if you click on this link, and what these affiliate pages will have will be resources that you can use to go ahead and promote their product. So they'll have things like the product details, they'll have images and banners that you can go ahead and use on your websites. You'll have email swipes that you can use. You can just go ahead and use their emails here in your own autoresponders. I got another video that goes through exactly how to promote one of these products step by step. So you'll have those. Then you have be able to generate the actual link that you're going to use to promote the product. So I'll just use this one as an example. If I use one of my own accounts. So you put your Clickbank ID in this top column here. And then if you want to tag this for additional information so that you can track where the sales are coming from. So if I was to advertise this in various locations, say Facebook ads, say I wanted to advertise it through a blog on Google, I could call this particular hot link slightly different things, and I can tag it and it'll tell me exactly where my sales are coming from, and it allows me to kind of split test over time where I think I can generate the most revenue through this product. So if I just call this blog, when I generate the link, you'll see that it gives me a number of options depending on where I want to point people. So the video landing page here, if I take this link now, once people click on that, they'll end up at that video landing page we saw. if I want to take them to a sales letter, they'll go ahead and they'll click on this link here, and that'll take them to the sales letter. So you can see on these links, my Clickbank ID is here, there's ab training, and then the tag that I wanted to use is on the end. So this allows me to track exactly where those sales are coming from if I go ahead and use these links. So we just went through the Clickbank marketplace, and I thought I'd show you another website called Clickbank Engine. Now this website has lots of information about all of the products that are currently on Clickbank, but they have slightly different menu options, so it allows you to search through Clickbank in a slightly different way. So if you look around on the left hand side menu here, you can find Clickbank products by going through the new products at the top here. You can find Clickbank products with the best gravity. So if I look on the best gravity now, Clickbank top gravity here, and I look across these products, Cinderella solution is over 407. The next one is this diabetes remedy, and so on and so on. So if you have a particular interest and you want to come through and say, right, what is the top product within that interest, then you can go ahead and use this menu, and this will be able to show you the top products. And so this menu is very useful for kind of giving an overall view of the current top products on Clickbank, and you can search under various categories here on the left hand side. If you go over to the right hand side, you'll find here a menu similar to the one in Clickbank. What I want to do is search again by category on here. So I'm going to use health and fitness as an example. I can go ahead and search a subcategory here if I want to break that down further, but for the purposes of this I won't. And then I want to look at the gravity. So I select gravity here, and I want it in descending order, so the highest gravity is at the top. And then lastly, I want to look at it by category. So if I go ahead and search, so it gives you this menu. Now this menu is very clean and a very nice way to view different Clickbank products without all of the descriptions that you've got over on the marketplace. So I think it's a really nice way to view them. Again, you've got the percentage you can earn here. So this is your percentage commission in the first column, the average sale with all of the rebills with the initial front end sale. This is the average sale you're likely to achieve as an affiliate. Here's the gravity, the all important gravity. And then on the momentum, now the momentum is an interesting one because it allows you to view products that are newer, and it allows you to see how much the sales they're making week on week and see if it's increasing. And this momentum score tells me that something like the custom keto diet is currently doing really well and gaining a lot of traction and making more and more affiliate sales. So it could be something that's relatively new that I can jump on if I find something with a kind of a lower gravity score, such as this one at 46 here, and a nice momentum. It can show me that I might be able to jump on that and there won't be quite as much competition to start with. So this is a very, very good way of finding those great products that you can go ahead and promote. So I just wanted to do a quick summary. When we're trying to find those great products within Clickbank, we can use a number of resources. We can go to the Clickbank marketplace. That's where most of the information about those products is kept. You can also use something like Clickbank Engine, which gives you really nice view of the various products, and the menus that it uses allows me to search a lot quicker and gives me some nice statistics around what the current momentum is of those particular products. So I think that's a really useful resource for us to have. Once you're inside the marketplace, you go ahead and use gravity as a way to search for products that are popular within the marketplace. You can then go ahead and use the left-hand menu to further refine your search and see if there's any monthly rebilling. So that's always useful to see whether once you've made initial sales, you can make commissions after those initial sales. And then we go ahead and review the affiliate material. So you want to use that material as a base for whatever advertising you're doing. They may have email swipes that you can go ahead and use as a skeleton and then adjust them to whatever style you may have when you're emailing your various customers. There may be banners that you can use, and sometimes there's videos and all sorts of other resources that you can use on your sites or blogs. So thanks for watching. Hope you found this video useful. Go ahead and check out that Clickbank marketplace and go find some great products to promote. If you want to check out my other videos, they show you step by step how you go ahead and promote those links once you have them. And check out the link in the description below if you want to learn a simple strategy for making money online.